But this is just kind of the latest wrinkle when it comes to the decision of the National Guard in the district and where things stand now, because what we have now is D.C.'s Attorney General Brian Schwalb filing a lawsuit. This is a copy of it that we have right here in the Fox 5 newsroom, a 34-page lawsuit essentially challenging that the National Guard can be here in Washington, D.C. So this is filed, the lawsuit. His name's just about everybody you can imagine in this, from the District of Columbia versus Donald J. Trump, the Department of Defense, the Defense Secretary, the U.S. Army, the Secretary of the Army, the Department of Justice, the Attorney General, the U.S. Marshal's Office, and the Director of the U.S. Marshal's Service. So what are they saying? What are they arguing? Well, there's 115 points that are made in it, but I'll summarize it by saying this. At the crux of this is essentially two things. One, the challenge of home rule. They are saying that the White House is essentially using the military in an illegal manner to conduct local law enforcement purposes. That's challenge number one. Also authorizing the National Guard to police the district without the district's consent, and then illegally using a federal command of the National Guard troops that belong to other states. So essentially federally calling up state National Guards when that would typically be the governor that would do that for that particular state. So those are the three main things that are being challenged here by D.C.'s Attorney General. But the bottom line is it is essentially a challenge of having the National Guard here, continue to be here on the streets of D.C. We just heard from the mayor yesterday. We know what the mayor had said about, her orders, her requests as far as the future of the Guard here in D.C. We have not yet heard from any other member of council or from the mayor in regards to this. This is just filed literally minutes ago. So we're going to be tracking down city leaders today. We're going to get their reaction to this lawsuit. But essentially, the Attorney General of Washington, D.C. is taking this to court, saying that they believe that the National Guard's presence in D.C. is unlawful. So we're going to keep an eye on the situation, Makia. We're going to be working the story today. We'll have updates, of course, on our social channels, and then all the updates throughout the day today as we try to get some more reaction. We'll continue to go through all the different points that are made here, but I just laid out some of the key ones that are in this filing, again, that just came down in the last couple of minutes. So we'll keep you posted on air, online, on social media, and on Fox Local throughout the day.